Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing a popular tax strategy used by real estate investors called the 1031 exchange. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified every time we upload new content. So, let's get started. The 1031 exchange, also known as a like-kind exchange, is a tax strategy that allows real estate investors to defer paying capital gains taxes on the sale of investment properties. Instead of recognizing the capital gains, the investor can reinvest the proceeds from the sale into a new property or properties. This allows the investor to keep more of their profits, which they can then use to purchase more investment properties. Now, you might be wondering what kind of properties qualify for a 1031 exchange. The answer is that any real estate held for investment purposes or used in a trade or business can be eligible. This includes rental properties, commercial buildings, and even raw land. However, personal residences and vacation homes do not qualify for a 1031 exchange. There are some rules and deadlines that need to be followed to complete a successful 1031 exchange. The investor has 45 days from the sale of their property to identify potential replacement properties, and they must close on the replacement property within 180 days. Additionally, the value of the replacement property must be equal to or greater than the value of the property sold. It's important to note that the 1031 exchange is not a tax-free transaction. Eventually, the investor will have to pay taxes on the capital gains when they sell the replacement property. However, by using the 1031 exchange, they can defer those taxes and keep more of their profits to reinvest in other properties. So, there you have it, a brief overview of what a 1031 exchange is and how it can benefit real estate investors. If you're considering a 1031 exchange, make sure to consult with a qualified tax professional and real estate attorney to ensure you're following all the rules and regulations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.